Hello student, a very warm good morning to all of you. This will be the last video of Central Islamic land. These are the teaching of Muhammad Sahib. Muhammad himself did not put down his teaching in a written form. His teachings, preaching and saying were conveyed by him to his follower from time to time during his lifetime. They were considered as God-given by his follower. After his death, his disciple compiled them into a volume which came to be known as the Quran. It is considered as the holy book of the Muslim and they call it their Bible. It contains prayers, stories, and written in the poetic style. The teaching of Muhammad from the chief principles of Islam. Some of the main teaching or principle of Islam are as followed. First, God is one and only power and He alone is worthy of adoration. There is no God but Allah and Muhammad is His prophet. God is all powerful, all wise and all merciful. There is one God, not many gods. Number 2, idol worship is a curse and everybody should shrink doing it. His monotheism is very much similar to that of the Jews and Christians. Quran is a divine book and its authority is unquestionable. The saying of Muhammad are regarded as God-given and were compiled in the form of the holy book. Islam believe in the life after death, in heaven or in hell. There will be a day of judgment when everybody will be punished or rewarded according to his deeds. All men are equal and there is no question of superiority or inferiority. Muhammad preached the principle of equality and brotherhood. In his faith, there was no distinction of any sort whatsoever, and so there was no class hatredness among his followers. This single factor proved a very potent factor in the popularity of Islam. The Prophet enjoined upon the follower to perform the 5 duties of Kalima: Namaz, Zakat, Ramzan and Hajj very faithfully. Kalima implies certain hymns proclaiming the unity of God and faith in the mission of Muhammad. Namaz or prayer is very necessary for every Muslim. He is expected to say prayer 5 times a day at the set interval. Then he should practice zakat. Zakat का मतलब होता है दान देना और charity and give alms to the poor and the needy. He should keep fast during the month of Ramzan. This is regarded as the most pious duty of every Muslim. Hajj or pilgrimage to Makkah is also regarded as a sacred duty of every believer. Muhammad allowed his follower to keep slaves, but at the same time asked them to treat them most kindly and leniently. He was not in favor of giving high status to women in the society and allowing them full liberty. They should live in harem and not move about freely. They should practice the parda system, but Muhammad was in favor of treating women very kindly. So these are the teaching of Muhammad Sahib, and this is the end of the chapter 4, the Central Islamic Land.